The Premiere 2250 model LifeSource water filter is designed with an automatic timer that controls when the self-rinse cycle happens. The timer should be set to the current time of day. To set the timer to the correct time of day, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Loosen the black bolts on both sides of the cover and remove it. Step 2. Press and hold down the red button. Then use your other hand to turn the large gear in either direction until the white arrow is pointed at the correct time of day. Once the white arrow points to the current time of day, release the red button. Step 3. Jiggle the large gear to make sure it is locked into place. You will hear the gear click into place. As a reminder, directions on how to reset the timer are printed on the top corner of the clock face. Finally, replace the cover and tighten the black side bolts. Your system timer is now reset. Have questions? Our expert service team is always here to help. To make a service appointment, visit lifesourcewater.com or call 800-334-5009.